So today we are going to do this full moon meditation, visiting the Egyptian goddess Isis lunar temple. So I'm going to guide all of you to the lunar temple of Isis, which is one of the most powerful temple for healing, for receiving guidance, and also for manifestation. So if you have anything in your mind that you want Mother Isis blessing, anything you're starting, anything that you'd like to manifest on this full moon day, you can, as we visit the lunar temple of Isis, you can ask her blessing and guidance. Yeah. So we can start the meditation. Keep your back straight, remove your specs, and just gently relax yourself. Take a deep breath in, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale and relax. Inhale and exhale and relax. Allow your mind to relax, your physical body to relax. Gently start being aware of every breath that you're taking. Inhale through your nose, hold for a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Inhale through your nose, hold for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Inhale through your nose, hold for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Relax your body. With each breath, you can feel every part of your body is relaxed. Now, feel the weight of your body grounding into the earth, grounding your energy with the golden light of Mother Earth. Allow your breath to deepen with every inhale and exhale, releasing any stress or anxiety or tension or any negative thoughts, allowing everything to release and let go. Now, visualize the bright, radiant full moon in the night sky. See that your entire aura is protected by the sapphire blue golden pyramid of Archangel Michael. As you see the bright, radiant full moon in the night, you see the silver light from the full moon casting down upon the earth. Feel this gentle energy, yet very powerful energy of the moon washing over you, cleansing and purifying your being. Visualize this silver energy pouring over you and cleansing every part of your body, physical body, mental body, your emotional body, and your spiritual body. As you breathe in and breathe out, feel the energy of the full moon. And as you exhale, release any negativity, doubts that you may be holding within you. Be in this moment as the silver ray is cleansing and purifying your being. Now, you're ready to start your journey to the lunar temple. Invoke your guardian angel, your guides, your dragons and unicorns to be with you. Your entire spiritual team is with you. Along with your guides and your angels. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a very vast desert under the open sky. The air is warm yet cool in the quiet of the night. As you look before you, far away, you can see a bright, magnificent temple bathing in the moonlight. This is the lunar temple of Goddess Isis. Your guides and your angels are taking you, and with you, you are safe and protected, and you are nothing to worry. They are walking along with you, guiding you to the temple. Slowly, as you walk towards the temple, you feel the air shifting. The temple is filled with the sacred energy and the presence of Isis. It is a place of wisdom, healing, and transformation. Along with your guide and angel, you are now greeted by the guardian of this angel, the guardian of this place, or the guardian of the temple. As you enter deeper into the temple, you see Goddess Isis. She's standing right before you, her eyes filled with ancient knowing. Isis is the great mother, the the goddess of magic, healing, and transformation. Her golden wings is enveloping you, and she's taking you under her protection and love. Feel the golden energy around you. Gaze into her eyes. Feel the warmth of her presence as she invites you to come closer. She speaks to you in a voice that resonates within your soul. Some of you can sense, feel, hear, or even see his presence. There is this many angels around Isis. You can feel the presence of the angels. You can feel the presence of Mother Isis. And the energy is connecting with you that resonates within your soul. Mother Isis asking you, beloved, what are you looking tonight? What are you seeking tonight? What wisdom, what healing do you desire? Tell me your heart desire. Speak your heart. This is a time where you spend some time. Share with her whatever that your heart wants, your heart desires. Any wisdom, any healing, any help, any blessings, anything that you wish to manifest. Place your intention now and speak from your heart. Stay here for 2 minutes. Be in this energy. Some of you might receive wisdom. Some of might receive healing. Some of you might receive blessing from her. Whatever is coming to you, just keep your heart open and receive. You can place both your palm at your heart as you receive her guidance, her blessing and healing. Take a moment to reflect on your intentions. And on this full moon night, under this full moon light, whatever that you wish to release, heal, manifest, it's happening now. Perhaps some of you might get clarity, strength, courage, or a deeper connection with your higher self. Feel the energy of the goddess Isis wrapping around you, her divine golden light filling you with empowerment and peace. Feel the energy coming within your heart and spreading into your entire being. Visualize a soft, radiant golden light coming towards you from the Isis heart, from the Mother Isis heart. The light is filled with love, wisdom, and healing power. It's touching your crown chakra, flowing down along with the energy of the moonlight. The light is entering into your body from your crown into your third eye. Feel it move through each of your energy centers, moving down towards your throat, into your heart, moving down towards your solar plex, down towards your sacral, and into your root or the base chakra, cleansing, healing, and restoring balance. Your entire being is transforming into golden light. This is the healing of unconditional love of the Mother Isis. Let it wash away any pain, any fear, or any obstacles. See that all your pain or wound or fear or any obstacles releasing from all the points, meridian points of your body, gray, black energies releasing from specific parts of your body, meridian points of the body, restoring balance and filling up your entire being with the golden light. Absorb this energy. Stay here for a minute more in silence. Some of you might feel the energy release from the back of your heart chakra, or from your spine, or from your lower part of your body, releasing fear or any wound or pain, any past memory that you would like to heal, removing the blockages, filling up everything with the golden light. And as you breathe in, you feel lighter and more aligned with your higher purpose. Now that you have received the blessing, the light, the love from the Mother Isis, Mother comes in front of you, raises her arms and wings of the moonlight spread across the temple, and she actually whisper into your ear, saying that you are whole, you are powerful, you are divine. Walk into this path of your highest purpose with courage and wisdom, for you are guided by the light of the sacred moon. The light surrounds you as if you are becoming a whole new human being, tapping into your highest potential. As you stand in the glow of the Mother Isis presence, you offer your deepest gratitude, folding your arm and holding in the Namaste position, giving your gratitude for her love, wisdom, and guidance. Thanking her for the healing that you have received, the guidance that you have received, the blessing that you have received, the strength that she has given into you. And then you receive the strength and the courage that's within you. Thanking her for the wisdom that she shared. Feel her blessings settling into your heart. And once you're ready, You can slowly begin to come into your awareness back to the present moment. Feel the ground, the air around you. Let your body start moving. Tap your feet, move your finger, and take a deep breath in and exhale as you ground your energy, bringing your seventh chakra, leave it open and bringing it into a size that is comfortable for you, bringing your aura into the size that you are comfortable, and ask the Mother Isis golden light, the golden wings, to place around you for protection and shielding. You fold both your hands and you give your gratitude from your heart to the energy of the full moon and the goddess Isis, to all your guides and guardian angels that you connected with, for healing, blessing, and to help you manifest your desire. You are empowered, you're healed, and you're ready to move forward with clarity and with higher purpose in your life. With that, rub your palm, place it over your eyes and face. Feel the energy. And once you're ready, you can open your eyes with a big, bright smile. Welcome back. Please drink water so that it helps your energy to ground, your body to ground. And in case if anybody would like to share about your experience, one or two people, you can raise your hand and you can share. Okay, I see Devyani. Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Today I felt quite discomfort here during the entire meditation, especially when we started releasing.
Mm,
तो पूरा ये शोल्डर एंड ये वाला पार्ट ना, ये
release
पूरा
all.
एंड, हाँ एंड तक बहुत ज्यादा डिस्कम्फर्ट था। एंड एंड में जब मदर आइसिस ने अपने विंग्स से शील्ड किया तो उसके बाद थोड़ा
Mm,
मतलब बट इट इज स्टिल देयर, बट ड्यूरिंग द मेडिटेशन वो बहुत ज्यादा डिस्कम्फर्ट था।
very good. But it's the sign that you are releasing. Yeah, it's a sign that you are releasing, which is very, very powerful. And
I
also,
actually asked for, this mental clarity, mental peace. Maybe that's why forehead में बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा था।
yeah, and also during the during the channeling, I received that a lot of you will receive clarity about something about your life. Clarity, probably clarity with what you're doing, clarity probably with what you want to do in your life, or maybe you're already doing something and you want to have some more clarity, deeper clarity about what you're already doing. So I'm sure it will come to you. Yeah. So great. Thank you for sharing that. Yes, Sunaya.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes.
After a long time, actually, I did something very amazing. From 3 months, especially, I haven't do anything related to assignments as well. But this time, this whole meditation is something which is releasing for me, especially releasing.
Mm,
Lots of pain I have in my third eye, in my crown, and
mm,
my back of heart chakra.
mm, mm,
And I don't know what, but I released a lot today.
mm, mm,
Lots of releasing.
mm,
Before meditation, especially, something happened and I was so sad.
mm,
So
mm,
I did embodiment exercises as well.
mm,
So I feel very okay.
mm,
Then I did this meditation. This is for really a transmutation meditation.
Mm,
पूरा ही ट्रांसफॉर्म कर दिया मुझे।
mm,
एक तो सब अब कुछ रह नहीं गया है कहीं पे, बट मतलब पूरा बॉडी एकदम अलग ही है। मतलब बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, सच में बहुत सूदिंग लग रहा है।
mm.
और ऐसा लग रहा है कि बस अब तो कोई बोलो मुझे जाना है बाहर।
Very good. Thank you so much for sharing that. Thank you. Yeah,
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सो मच।
thank you. Yes. Yes, Ujjwala, you can unmute yourself.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you so much for. So for me, it was like a surprise meditation that just popped up, when I'm just about to sleep, and I just felt very fortunate to be getting this update very timely. Otherwise, I think I would have missed it.
Mm, mm,
And somehow I could feel the relation between me just having a glimpse of the full moon. I did not know it was a full moon, but I had a chance to look at it
mm,
some hours back.
mm,
And I was like, wow, what a coincidence.
mm,
And this meditation itself, um, so I have got some kind of Akashic reading done before.
mm,
And in that, they had mentioned that I have Egyptian
mm.
ancestors and
Yeah,
like
yeah,
history.
yeah.
So it came to me very easily, the entire thing. And I could sense everything, like not a single moment I must have missed.
Right.
Everything was fantastic. I was feeling a lot of restlessness in my legs
Mm, mm,
towards the end.
mm,
And I got some very good clarity
mm,
of, because I was asking that what is the clarity,
mm,
like more like a fortune seeker.
mm.
So I just laid myself very freely and I was asking about my
Right,
future, got clarity for everything.
right.
Relationship, career, everything.
Mm,
So it was a fantastic meditation. And anyways, whenever you do the meditations, I'm like, wow, Sophia man is doing, because with your meditations, I connect so easily every time I've done it. So I don't want to miss it. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for this wonderful experience. More so that it came to me like a surprise. So I feel very blessed. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you for sharing that. Yes. Yes, dear.
Yeah, thank you, Sophia ma'am.
Yes.
I have seen today कि मुझे ऐसे दिखाई दिया जैसे शुरू किया जब आपने उनको इन्वोकेशन किया, गॉडेस ऐसे को
Mm,
गोल्डन, बहुत गोल्डन विंग्स के साथ पूरा उनका स्वरूप दिखाई दिया। पहले भी मैं एक बार प्राणिक हीलिंग में थी और मुझे नहीं पता था, और मैं जैसे कि मैं बैठी थी वहां पे, फोटो से कैप्चर हुई और रेजिस आ रही थी, ऐसी फोटो है। मैं जब मास्टर मेरिल के और उनके मास्टर चोवा के रिट्रीट में थी तब। तो आज मैंने जब, पहले तो मुझे याद भी नहीं था, वैसे ही आपने शुरू किया और मैंने ज्वाइन किया। और जैसे ही मैंने आंखें बंद की और आपने शुरू किया, उसके बाद मुझे पूरा उनका जैसे कि दिखाई दिया गोल्डन पूरा, और चारों तरफ गोल्डन गोल्डन जा रहे हैं, जैसे छोटे छोटे प्राण कैसे होता है, जैसे गोल्डन छोटे छोटे वो एटम की तरह जैसे दिखाई दे रही चारों वाइब्रेशन के साथ। और जैसे कि मैं एक माँ बेटी को कैसे मिलते हैं ऐसे मिल रही।
yeah, so
और
sweet.
वो
Yes.
इतना जैसे गले लगते हैं।
Yes, yes.
हालांकि मैं कभी किसी के गले नहीं लगती हूँ, लेकिन लगता नहीं। तो और इतना जैसे कि मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि जैसे कोई मुझे खींच रहा है कि बस मैं हूँ प्रोटेक्शन में, और मैं कह रही हूँ कि दुनिया में कितना वो है, मुझे आगे जाना है, लोग पीछे पीछे डाल रहे हैं, और मुझे तुम्हारा काम करना है, कितना आगे जाके हेल्प करना है, कितने अब मैं हूं ना, तुम वरी मत करो, मैं हूँ, जैसे कि मुझे कह रहे आवाज आ रही।
Very nice.
और फिर जब आपने बताया कि अभी शील्डिंग हो रही है, तो इतना शील्डिंग की जैसे कि कोई छोड़ ही नहीं रहा है, और मुझे शील्डिंग करके और कहते डरना नहीं है, मैं साथ में। और
हम्म,
जैसे जैसे धीरे 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 मुझे आते आते भी मेरी आंखों में पानी आ गया,
हम्म,
जिससे कि बेटी अपनी माँ को छोड़ दिया ना।
powerful. Thank you. Thank you
थैंक
for
यू।
sharing that. Yes, thank
थैंक यू।
you. Yeah, Shobha.
Yes. Hello.
Hello. Yes, dear. Wait, you can unmute yourself one more time. Yeah,
या
yeah.
एक्चुअली ये जो हीलिंग सेशन है, आई थिंक मुझे लगता है 6-7 महीने के बाद मैंने किया हुआ है।
Mm,
इट्स वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस। और मुझे एक चीज कहनी है कि मुझे ना 3-4 दिन से मेरी आंखों में बहुत जलन हो रही थी, बहुत, मतलब इतना पेनफुल कि मैं ऑफिस में बैठ के काम भी नहीं कर पा रही थी। और आज जब आपने बोला कि आप आया मदर आइसिस के सामने हैं, तो आप उनको बोलिए आपको हीलिंग चाहिए या क्या चाहिए, कैसे चाहिए। तो और मुझे ना एक्चुअली ऐसे लग रहा था कि मैं 6-7 महीने से मैं रोई भी नहीं हूँ, तो मुझे वो रोना भी नहीं आ रहा था।
mm,
तो मुझे ऐसे लग रहा कि मुझे रोना आना चाहिए।
mm,
तो मैंने उनको बोला कि आई नीड अ हीलिंग विथ माई आईज, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत तकलीफ हो रही, इट्स
mm,
वेरी पेनफुल मुझे कि आंखें बंद करूँ तो भी जल रही है, ओपन करूँ तो भी जल रही है।
mm,
और उन्होंने ना लिटरली ऐसे, मतलब हाथ अपने ऐसे कोल्ड बोलते हैं ना, वो मून का एक संधि प्रकाश जो बोलते हैं, एकदम से व्हाइट कलर का एकदम ठंडा सा उन्होंने हाथ मेरे आंखों पे ऐसे रखा था। तो
right.
मुझे रोना आया ना, नाउ इट्स वेरी, मतलब मुझे लग ही नहीं रहा है कि मेरी आंखें 3-4 दिन से जल रही थी करके। इतना इतना अच्छा फील हो रहा है ना, मतलब एकदम ठंडा लग रहा है मेरे अभी आंखों में। इट्स वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस। और ये इसके लिए मैं बहुत तड़प रही थी कि मुझे कल एक्चुअली मैंने बेटी को बोला था कि कल मुझे डॉक्टर के पास जाना पड़ेगा।
That's
इट्स
the
वेरी गुड
magic of Isis healing.
मैजिक। यस यस यस, इट्स ब्यूटीफुल मैजिक। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you so much for sharing your life experience and sharing that physically जो changes हुआ है, that is very powerful. Yeah, thank you that. Yeah,
यस यस,
yeah,
थैंक यू।
yeah. All right. Yes, Virendra ji.
हेलो,
Hello.
नमस्कार जी।
Namaste ji. Yes.
मैं थोड़ा सा लेट ज्वाइन कर पाया था।
Mm-hmm.
हीलिंग तो मैंने रिसीव करी है,
Mm-hmm.
लेकिन मेरे को जो है ना, ये बैक साइड में सर्वाइकल में पेन होने लग गया।
हाँ, वो रिलीज है।
अगर रीजन है, और वैसे भी थोड़ा कुछ दिनों से मेरे को जब एट द टाइम ऑफ पूजा के टाइम पे मेरे को अलग तरह तरह की चीजें होती हैं, कोई सुई चुभ हो रहा है, या कोई ऐसी बैड स्मेल सी आती है जो मेरे नाक से होके गले को चोक करती है, ऐसा कुछ फीलिंग होता है मेरे
आई एम श्योर आज की हीलिंग में वो रिलीज किया होगा,
को। अच्छा।
या रिलीज हुआ होगा। आप ये दोबारा फुल मून मेडिटेशन कर सकते हो। आई विल बी अपलोडिंग दिस इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आप दोबारा कर सकते हो ये।
जी। तो
ठीक।
इसमें कोई इफेक्ट है मेरे को?
नहीं, इफेक्ट है, इसीलिए तो आपको वो यहाँ पे पेन हुआ है ना, रिलीज हो रहा है। जब बॉडी से
अच्छा।
जब भी बॉडी से कुछ कोई भी ऐसी एनर्जी रिलीज होता है तो बॉडी में पेन होता है। या बॉडी में कुछ ऐसे सिग्नल होगा, जैसे डिस्कम्फर्ट होगा, किसी किसी का डिस्कम्फर्ट हुआ, किसी किसी का हेडेक हो गया, किसी किसी का स्वेटिंग हो रहा है, किसी किसी का तो फीवर हो जाता है या लूज मोशन हो जाता है, या किसी को माइग्रेन भी हो सकता है। सो दिस इज अ वे दैट की बॉडी टेलिंग यू दैट की बॉडी से एनर्जी रिलीज हो रहा है। सो इट इज एक्चुअली
आवाज ही बंद हो
गुड
गई।
थिंग। इट्स अ गुड थिंग। ठीक है।
बोलो।
ठीक है।
आवाज ही नहीं जा रही, मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ
आपकी
जी।
आवाज नहीं आ रही?
नो, एनीबडी
आ रही
कैन।
है।
या
नहीं,
आ
मेरे
रही
को
है
नहीं
ना।
आ रही।
So, आप दोबारा वही अब आई यू कैन हियर मी, कैन यू हियर मी राइट नाउ।
आवाज नहीं आ रही मेरे को।
मेरा आवाज तो आ रही है, सबको सब सुनाई दे रही है।
पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं।
कोई बात नहीं, आप मैसेज करती हूँ, ग्रुप में मैसेज करती हूँ। ठीक है। ओके, यस विभा। यू कैन अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। प्लीज अनम्यूट विभा। Okay, meanwhile, I'll take Kalpana. Yeah, go ahead, Kalpana.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Actually, I don't know actually. मीन्स जब भी आपका सेशन होता है तो आपसे डायरेक्टली, जैसे मैम जो पहले आए थे उन्होंने भी कहा कि डायरेक्टली कनेक्शन हो जाता है. सो दिस इज माय सेकंड सेशन विद यू एंड आई वुड लाइक टू नो कि इट वाज एन अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस, लाइक हाउ आई मेट मदर आइसिस
Mm,
एंड जैसे मैम जो पहले भी उन्होंने कहा था, द सेम थिंग आई एक्सपीरियंस. इट वाज completely golden light and golden, she had her golden wings and then she hugged me. Means like I have many things going on in my life. So I just when I just saw her
mm,
with her wings, golden wings,
mm,
like she was welcoming me.
mm,
So I just went and hugged her and I told her everything and I just started telling her. Mm. Then she calmed me down and then she hugged me and she gave me all her what we say, means I can say her rays of golden. I was covered into completely golden and I was completely calmed and my whole body, my means उनका जो गोल्डन है वो उनका और मेरा जो गोल्डन जो रेज है वो एक, लाइक इट वाज completely one thing, like that kind of I felt it.
mm,
And I was completely calm and then she was like, I'm there with you, no
mm,
need to worry, like that kind of.
mm,
And then she hugged me and most of the time, like ma'am also told before, like it was like a ma beti kind of ke,
mm,
a
mm.
mother is waiting to hug a child and and a child is waiting to hug her mom, like
Yes.
after I don't know how many years after, I don't know how many births, कितने birth के बाद उनको देखा, like that kind of we I felt it. And the only thing is like uh, I can connect with you, resonate with you, your sessions very quickly. I don't know what power, what blessings you have, and I really hope that I am very blessed to have this session with you, and I will like to have more. And the experience with this was amazing, and I don't know in this birth how did I met Mother Isis, and it is an out of the world experience.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You so much. Thank you so much for sharing this because whatever you are sharing and everybody else sharing means a lot to me because today when I was channeling, I was thinking about I should do the full moon meditation, but I thought let me do the full moon meditation with angels. But then, Mother Esses comes up in front of me and says, no, you need to do it with me today. So I was like, okay, so we'll channel with her energy today and make you all experience it. And I knew that, whoever will join, like the live session, of course, whoever will join, somewhere in your past life, you were connected with this Egyptian energy. Maybe you were born at that time, or you had a past life during that time, and that's why you all are here. Like suddenly, some of you have seen my message or the message that I've sent, and then you came, and I am sure many of you have seen my message in the morning, but forgotten and did not join right now. So, all of these is a divine timing. You should know everything is divine planning, everything is divine timing, right? And and even people who will do through the recording, if you feel connected with Isis, that means that somewhere in your past life you definitely had a connection with her energy for sure, right? So I am very happy to conduct this meditation for all of you and really looking forward to really bring forward more of these energies. um if some of you who are not in my community, but like my long-term 1 year program, if you're not in that, but those student knows it, but if you're new to it, I am actually launching my new school, which is to do with only with the goddess energy, especially with the Isis, and especially initiation of high priestess. So in my channeling session, there's something that came up to me is that a lot of the light workers who are high priestess are now ready to embrace the high priestess energy of Isis and the goddess energy that they carry within themselves. So that's why the course is going to launch in the month of January. And those who associate with the Isis energy or the goddess energy, you're most welcome to be a part of that. That will be a 4-month journey. It's a 4 months of high priestess, being a high priestess. So it's like really embodying the energy of goddess energy. It's like conducting yourself that way. It's like doing ceremony, holding ceremony. So there is no level that I'm going to like give it away everything that I have received as a download and all the manual, everything. And of course, there's going to be a teacher program. Like if you want to teach and want to become initiator, like a high priestess initiator, you can do it from the school too. So this is like complete program that getting launched in the month of January next year. So this was completely through guidance that has come to me. And when I was in Egypt, when I got higher light codes upgraded and initiated by the Isis and the rest of the goddess energy, right? So I'm really looking forward to bring forward people who will work with this energy. Yeah. So this is, it's going to be 4 months. A lot of people ask me how many months. It's going to be 4 months of journey working with the goddess energy. And this is something not like, I would say, it's a very serious modality. And this is not like a modality, but actually it's a very serious journey. Somebody who is very deepened in their spiritual journey and wants to really deepen their journey, wants to deepen their journey deeper with the work of goddess energy, especially Isis, Hathor, Sekhmet. I am going to do the initiation of all that goddesses. That's why 3 months of the journey and the training that will be given to all of you. So the whole journey is going to be very life-changing, revealing. Many things will get revealed about yourself, your life, your whole inner power. It's going to be like magical. Like some of you said, right? You had that eye issue, and then Goddess Isis came and she gave the healing, and then suddenly that pain gone away. That's the kind of magic Goddess Isis carry that. And Goddess Isis is actually known as the goddess of healing and goddess of magic and goddess of transformation. She is super powerful when it comes to healing. And especially if you are a light worker and a healer, if you connect and work with the Isis energy, I can tell you one thing, that if you're giving healing to your client, and the client will really experience a magical energy of healing through you, like you become the channel. You're not healing. It's like Isis will come through you and heal that person, but you become the divine channel of Isis. It comes with a lot of responsibility, a lot of seriousness, and a lot of discipline and integrity. So I will be rolling out the form, whoever is interested. As I always take my students through interview rounds, I will be having interview with you, connecting with the Isis, and see that if are you really fit for this program or not. If yes, then I will take you. If no, then I might tell you that why, or maybe that I will know through the channeling that what needs to work or what else you need to do it, or maybe you need to wait for the next program or for the next batch whenever I roll out the batch. So it's going to be something very deep spiritual work that we will do in this whole journey, right? So I was very strictly instructed not to just take the student, but to take the student through interviews and through channeling. So I'll be channeling along with you, and I will know exactly where you are in your spiritual path. Not that you are higher or lower, not like that, but there are things, we all are together in the path. But some of them has done a lot of deeper work. Some of them are still in the journey where they're still, at the beginning, or at the phase where they're still discovering. They still have to do a lot of shadow work, and they still have to do a lot of work on themselves. And some of them are really ready to receive this, right? So I would know that when I take interviews around. So this is one thing I wanted to tell to all of you, because some of you have approached to me, and I thought when we all are here together, it's better to address here, right? So that's how it's going to be the process. That the process is going to be through the interview rounds of connecting with the Isis and channeling and what we receive for you for your higher guidance. And during the channeling, some of you will also receive amazing messages from Isis that what do you need to do, what work you need to do, what are the places in your life that you need to develop yourself, or are you really fully ready to anchor the light of Isis and be the channel of Isis healing energy. So it comes with a full of commitment, right? Commitment, seriousness, integrity, and discipline of life, the kind of life that you're living, the disciplined life that the master always demand. That is, especially Isis will always be demanding, asking you to live a very wholesome and life of integrity. So that kind of level is what I'm looking for the people who wants to join for this high priestess initiation journey, because it's not for beginner, or for sure it's not for beginner, but a beginner in the sense you have no idea about the healing and you just suddenly want to jump into this. I would really recommend that learn some basic healing, do some basic work on yourself, and then maybe probably you can apply for the whenever I roll out for the batch. So per batch, I'm just hoping that because this is going to be very intimate and a small circle, I'm not going to take a lot of students, and students who is really ready to anchor the light of Isis is whom I'm going to take. So it is not me who is choosing you, it is the goddess Isis who actually choosing you. So just trust the process, okay? So that's how my work is always like that. So I go with the guidance that comes to me. And if the guidance doesn't come, I wait for the guidance, because that's the way how I work. I totally surrender to the masters and the energy. A lot of people find it very difficult to do that because we are very hurry to do things and complete things and find solution and answer, right? We're very hurry, like, okay, give me answer. But this is a spiritual journey. Here, the answer will come to you as it is. But you also need the situation in your life will also teach you to surrender. And surrender is something that a lot of people struggle. And I'm someone who's totally surrendered to the divine energy. I allow the divine energy to do the work. So wait for the guidance. Yeah. So that's one thing that I would like to share. So some of you were asking if you want to be part of this program. This is how going to be the process. Okay. So that I do justice to every student who comes in the class, that each one of you is trained properly and you are ready for your initiation, like properly trained. So that's one thing. That's my commitment as a mentor. So that's what it will be, right? And so I'm excited. And I'm looking forward for the students who are ready to anchor this light and use this light in your healing journey and also in your growth, in your spiritual growth and your personal growth. In every way, there will be a growth when you work with the Isis energy. That's the way how her energy is always. Okay. So what's the price of this program? It comes with the guidance. So when we have a one-on-one session, I'll let you know that time. So I'll roll out the form. If you're interested, fill the form, and then maybe I'll get in touch with you and we can have an interview round with that. Okay. So clear everybody about how it will go. Yeah. All right. So with that note, we close our class, our session today, full moon session. And thank you everybody for participating, for coming, for experiencing the Isis energy. And for all the people who came up and shared, it was amazing. Like, it's like you guys are reconfirming back like how powerful and potent the Mother Isis energy is, and all the people who have shared through the chat. So thank you so much, everyone. God bless you. Thank you.